Hello. As you can see, we are successfully moving up the road. So let's click to our next level. Okay. Okay, use summon and command to protect yourself while gathering coins. So we will probably command around and buy the command options from with the coins that we collect. So let's see what exactly we have to do and then try to solve the room and come back later to check it together. And let's see the solution. So inside of the loop, let's search for the coins and find the nearest coin and then move to the coins position. So we don't use move XY, but move instead. As we learned before, this is more productive because then we can in each step evaluate and check around to see what is the next move. Otherwise we are completely blinded and we just walk until we reach the X and Y position. Okay, then we check if we have enough gold. So if we have more gold, then there is a cost for a soldier. If it is, we immediately buy a soldier, summon it. Then we check if there are some enemies. And if there are enemies, we go through all the soldiers and tell them all, go and attack the enemy. And that's practically it. So let's check it out. It seems to work. As you could see before, we had in our code debugger, it's called, which is basically to see if hero is doing what we are asking him to do. So if we want to see if hero is actually buying a soldier, we can say before this, say I will summon a soldier now. And then each time the hero will, before he buys a soldier, actually say that. So we know, aha, this is happening, cool. But the same method, if you remember, takes a second of our time. So it takes 1 second. So we don't want to keep it when the actual fight is happening. So we remove it. So now we know that our hero is buying. Then we can check if our hero is actually sending soldiers to fight. Go attack. And then we see if he is actually doing this. Go attack, go attack, go attack. So obviously we are doing things okay, but it's again stealing our time, so we remove it and so on. So at the end, when we run a code, we remove all this say stuff. This is very similar in coding. When you will actually write the whole code, you can also check if the parts of code are being executed, and for that we use console log and name of the variable or whatever we want to check, so that you know this is called debugging. And in Code Combat we use it with this say, but in real coding we use it with console log. Okay, so let's submit. So while we collect, we buy the soldiers and send them to fight for us and protect us. And as it looks like, they are doing a great job. Okay. So let's commit this code. Ooh. And now we see that our heroes are not doing such an awesome job anymore. So let's go back and check the code again and see where we made a mistake. So we checked the code again, but obviously the problem was just that we were writing the last time these say some stuff, and the code combat still saved that version, so we just went back and submitted again, and it looks like this time the code is run perfectly. So we have enough soldiers and they are protecting us well. Great job, soldiers. Thank you for protecting us. We earned quite some diamonds and we can continue.